ma'am, sir. I'm Esther Duriaga, single, 23 years old. I'm eldest youngest. I've taken course nursing 4 years.
Okay, Esther, how many brothers you have?
3, ma'am.
How many sister?
1, ma'am.
Okay, so you are the third in the family.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you a secondary level or high school or a college level?
College level.
What
ma'am.
course did you take up before?
Nursing, ma'am.
Okay, so are you a graduate of nursing?
No, ma'am.
You don't-
Undergraduate.
Undergraduate. Okay, so can you tell me your working experience?
In local, ma'am, caregiver and babysitter in 2 years.
Okay, and then when you become a babysitter, how many members in the family you serve?
4, ma'am.
Okay, so how old the baby is?
I care babies 0 to 9 months, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you take care of the baby?
First, ma'am, change the diaper, feeding, change clothes.
Okay, so you also cook.
No, ma'am.
Who cook?
The other maid, ma'am.
Okay, but you can cook.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what kind of food can you cook?
Filipino food, ma'am.
Like what?
Adobo, tinola, sinigang.
Okay, like for example, if I will give you a menu or recipe, can you manage to follow and cook that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then how about taking care of the elderly people? Did you experience before how to take care of the elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you take a vital signs for the elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then can you take care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of pets do you like?
Dog, ma'am.
How about cats?
Uh,
Are you willing to take care of cats?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then how about doing gardening and watering plants? Are you willing to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then how about marketing? Can you manage to do marketing alone without any supervision?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Okay, you don't like to, you cannot go marketing alone, but you're willing to learn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then how about experience in doing car washing? Did you experience before how to do car washing?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Okay, you're willing to go for under training. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and then being as a nursing, before did you experience how to take care of the elderly people in the healthcare center in the hospital?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can take a vital signs
Yes, ma'am.
like blood pressure
Yes, ma'am.
and temperature.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then on the future employer is watching with you, what you can say something to the future employer?
Hello, ma'am, sir. I want to select me for a new domestic helper, and I'll do all my best, all responsibilities.
Okay, so are you an honest person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you physically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Anytime ready to be there in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck.
Thank you,